Hello. So this came in today. It's the Leef iBridge. This is supposed to help solve those pesky iPhone and iPad problems where you go to snap a picture or record a video and you get that awesome little pop-up message that says not enough storage available. So I ordered this thing and it's really small. It's about the size of a normal flash drive, thumb drive, except it's got this little hook on the bottom that's got the lightning connector for all your Apple devices. I think from like iPhone 5s and up have this size. If it's anything before that, it won't fit. And this is the case that goes over it. Okay. So obviously I'm recording this on my iPhone, so we're gonna use my iPad. Apparently you just take it and plug it in. And as soon as you do that, it asks you to install the app. And if you happen to click the wrong button like I just did, you can just go to the Apple Store, to the App Store, and download the app. And then it's got all the little what's awesome about this, and then you can get started. I tried this earlier on the phone and I had like a 3-minute video and I tried to transfer it from my phone to the iBridge and it worked perfectly. It just took maybe 30 seconds, which is not as fast as, I mean, I know that's not, you know, an eternity or anything, but it's a little bit slower than I would have liked, especially if you have your mobile device at an event that you're trying to record and all of a sudden you need to move some files in a hurry to make sure you have enough space to capture something that's happening right now. That's probably not going to be the best solution because it's going to take just a minute, especially if you're recording, if your video is longer than 2 or 3 minutes, it's going to take even longer to transfer. So the best option is anytime you have a free minute, go ahead and move your files over if you happen to be trying to record an event as it happens. You can move from the iBridge to your device or from your device to your iBridge. For the purposes of this, we want to move things over, and you do have to allow the access, else it, you know, can't get hold of it. And if I want to move this picture, now you have 2 choices. You can copy it or you can move it, and I want to move it because I don't want it on here anymore. And then it'll ask you if you want to delete it from your device. Just go back over and you can go down here to File Manager and it will show you the files that you have. This is the video that I transferred earlier. And there's the photo that I just moved. You can also go back out to the screen and look at your content viewer. It also has a camera. If you know you're going to be taking a lot of photos, you can take them straight from the iBridge, like go ahead and plug your thing in already, and then use the iBridge camera, and it will save them directly to your file so that you don't have to transfer them over. It won't do that with video. It doesn't have the option to do that with video, but it does have the option with the camera. There's also some settings to show you can back up your contacts. There's some FAQs that I think just take you back to the website. They're not actually stored on the device at all. And then you want to go right here to your storage information and always check on that. It tells you the capacity. Like I said, I got the 32 gig. I've already used some of that. It says I've used 2% of that. When it came, The standard setting is 2 gigs. That's just a setting. You can go in here to your limits and change that. And see, now it says 32 again. So that's how that works. So, I mean, it works exactly like it's supposed to. Everything is fine. Like the only bad part about it that I see, like I said, is that it is a little slower than I would care for in transferring video files, but I'm very impatient. I don't think 30 seconds is too long to transfer files. It's just that, like I said, if you're in the middle of trying to capture a moment, I think you might be disappointed if you happen to get the pop-up that says you're out of storage, so you got to move things really quickly, and then before you are able to get it done, the event's passed, it's over. So you do need to still be proactive about moving your files over, making sure you have enough storage space to capture the things that you want to capture. But all in all, I'm fairly, content that it works exactly the way it was advertised. It's got enough storage space on it to hold anything that I need to do, because I will be, coming home and transferring these files back to my computer, which is a regular PC, and this end right here will fit onto it just fine, and transfer all those files back over there so that I can upload and edit and all that kind of good thing. So I'm very, very happy. They also have other sizes. They have larger sizes, they have smaller sizes. I thought that the 32 was the size that would suit me the best. They also have a 16, and if I'm not mistaken, I think they have an 8, but I know they have a 16. They also have a 64, and then they have 100 and something. But I'm very happy with it. I think that it's worth what I paid for it, and I will enjoy using it.